First we do this multiplication. 1 over 2 times 14. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So here we have just 7. And 7 divided by 7 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 7 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 14. No, 7 times 2 gives us 14. And 14 times 14. Okay? 10 times 14 gives us 140. So 140 plus 4 times 14 gives us 56. So 140 plus 56, which equals 196. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 196.